As an avid bicyclist, you know that your gear can make or break your ride. From the right helmet to a sturdy lock, the right bike accessories can keep you safe, comfortable, and prepared for any situation. In this video, we'll explore the 9 essential bike accessories so you can have the best ride of your life. For more information, refer to the description below. The most important piece of gear for any biker is a helmet. When it comes to off-road adventures, a high-quality helmet is even more crucial. Your head is worth the investment. Look for a lightweight, breathable helmet with a secure, adjustable fit. Make sure it provides ample protection for your head and face, including a visor to shield your eyes from the sun and trail debris. Don't compromise on safety and choose a helmet that meets all your needs. You'll thank yourself for it in the long run. Off-road biking often means riding in low light or dark conditions. To stay safe and visible on the trail, invest in a set of high-quality bike lights. Whether you're riding on well-lit trails or exploring remote areas, having bright and durable bike lights is essential. Mount them on your handlebars or helmet for maximum visibility. Remember, always check that your lights are fully charged and functioning properly before each ride. Safety should never be compromised. Flat tires happen even to the most experienced bikers. To avoid getting stranded on the trail, always carry a puncture repair kit with you. Practice using it at home, so you'll be prepared to fix a flat quickly and efficiently on the trail. Remember, it's always a good idea to carry a spare inner tube, just in case the damage to your tire is too severe to patch. Don't let a flat tire ruin your ride. Staying hydrated is essential when biking off-road. To make sure you have easy access to your water, invest in a sturdy water bottle holder. Look for a holder that can be mounted on your bike frame or handlebars, ensuring your water bottle stays securely in place, even on bumpy terrain. And don't forget to invest in a high-quality water bottle that is easy to open and drink from while riding. Keep yourself refreshed and energized throughout your adventure. If you're planning a long off-road ride, a hydration pack is a must-have accessory. A good hydration pack should be comfortable, have ample storage for your gear, and include a hydration bladder with a drinking tube. It's like having your own personal water source on your back. A hydration pack will keep you hydrated and focused on the trail without having to stop and drink from a water bottle. Stay fueled and conquer those long rides. When riding off-road, you never know what challenges you may encounter on the trail. To be prepared for any situation, carry a multi-tool with you at all times. A good multi-tool should include a variety of hex keys, chain tools, a screwdriver, and a knife. Practice using it at home so you'll be ready to tackle quick repairs on the trail. Remember to carry spare bolts and nuts too. With a multi-tool in your kit, you'll be able to overcome any mechanical hurdle and keep riding. A flat tire is one of the most common challenges you'll encounter when biking off-road. To be prepared, always carry a bike pump with you. Look for a lightweight and easy-to-use pump that is compatible with your bike's tire valves. And having a pressure gauge can help you achieve the perfect inflation every time. With a reliable bike pump in your kit, you'll never have to worry about deflated tires ruining your adventure. Keep those wheels rolling smoothly. Your bike's chain is one of its most important components and needs regular maintenance to stay in good working order. To protect your chain, invest in a high-quality chain lube. Choose a long-lasting, water-resistant lube that provides ample lubrication. Apply it regularly to keep your chain running smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to carry a clean rag with you to wipe down your chain and keep it free of debris. Take care of your bike, and it'll take care of you. Finally, to protect your investment when you're off the trail, always carry a sturdy bike lock with you. Choose a lock that is durable, easy to use, and compatible with your bike's frame and wheels. Security matters, whether you're in a high-crime area or not. Remember to lock up your bike whenever you leave it unattended, even if it's just for a few minutes. Keep your ride safe and sound. With these 9 essential bike accessories, you'll be prepared for any off-road adventure. Refer to the description for more information on each accessory. Gear up, stay safe, and have the ride of a lifetime.